Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you two easy ways how to add passwords within your Brave browser. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Now the first way is by simply go ahead and visit the website. So I can take Amazon as an example. I'm going to simply head over to amazon.de or whatever, amazon.com, and you want to go ahead and sign in. Now it will ask you for your email address and your password. You want to go ahead and enter that. I'm going to go ahead and do so. Then I'm going to enter my password here. And once you click and sign in, you will get this pop-up that asks you if you want to save the password. As you can see, it asks me if I want to save it. So all I have to do is just simply go ahead and click and save here. And I'm going to do so. And I'm going to show you that the password actually saved. Now the second way is by clicking the three lines on the upper right hand side, then click on settings. And then you want to look for autofill and passwords. And as you can see, it's on the left hand side here. You want to click on that. Then click on the password manager here, and you will find all of those passwords that you have saved. And as you can see, I had the Amazon one here, and this is how you can easily log in. Now to add a password, you can see the add button here. You can click on add again, and you can enter the website. So let's say I want to type in, let's say Amazon that, let's put it CZ, is that for example. That should be the email address. I'm going to make something random, so I'm going to just write something here, 2022 at Gmail, make up something, right? And the password, I'm gonna simply enter some gibberish stocks, right? Whatever. Then click and save. Now as you can see, it is no save. So if I go back to Amazon, for example, amazon.cz, then it will allow me to enter those credentials. And what's going to happen is going to give you a pop-up and allow you to choose among those two credentials. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.